The ICT Minister says after a series of meetings, the NICTA's board granted written approval of Telstra's acquisition of Digicel Pacific business and the transfer of license rights. Amongst the business owned by Digicel Pacific is Digicel PNG Limited and Hydron Limited, both of which have individual operator licenses that enables them to provide ICT services in PNG. This consent by the regulator will now see the transfer of these licenses and other rights to Telstra.
Following further dialogue between NICTA, Telstra and Digicel, a final and unconditional consent has now been granted by the NICTA board, and we therefore expect the sale to proceed because there's no turning back.
Chairman of NICTA board, Noel Mobiha, says the authority is just following the law as it is required under Section 52 of the National Information and Communication Technology Act 2009 to give a written consent before any transfer of license rights and the transfer of a quota or more ownership rights can be given.
Digicel sold out 100% to Telstra, so that's why NICTA is the same. If there are changes in shareholding below 25%, we don't have a say. But anything 25% and above, under Section 52 of the NICTA Act, we have a say.
NICTA has considered a whole range of matters before agreeing to give consent, including the effect on competition and the fear of monopoly in the mobile communication market. Once the acquisition process is completed, Telstra will have 100% ownership rights of Digicel Pacific businesses. Cashmir Waken, NBC National News, Port Moresby.